So guys, any kind of WordPress website, how we can acting for email subscription option. In this purpose, first of all, we can use option name is called Feedburner option. In a previous video, we discussed about that, how we can creating RSS feed using Feedburner. In this, I'm discuss about the previous video. Now, this is called email subscription purpose. Anybody you come into a website, how we can activate for email subscription option. That we can give the footer option or header option, anything will be accept. So where you can show here, you can use the particular option will be given on the particular email subscription purpose. So right now I'm giving for any people open your post in the right of the side, I'm showing for your particular email subscription purpose. So we can activate. After activate RSS feed on the particular website, we can go to option name is called public guys. In the we can go to for email subscription. In the email subscription, we have to activate for email subscription. Click for activate. After activate, what is a particular email branding? So everything will be communication preference. Everything you can check for particular option. So this all will be here in this. After subscription will be here. Is generating one code will be in the particular option. We can use this code here. Copy this code option. In the particular, go to the your WordPress website. Select option will be particular dashboard login. In this login, we have to select option will be go to appearance option. Click for widgets. Where I'm showing for right of the corner. In this purpose, a widget option is selecting for custom HTML option. In this, where you can visible this option. I'm selecting where right bar. Click for add a widget. So here. Email subscription. Click for save and click for done. After creating this, we have to show will be here the first option. Now refresh here. Previous they showing for add. Now we'll be showing for email subscription here. Enter the email and click for subscribe option delivered by the Feedburner. So why? Who will be generate this one? They're showing for Feedburner compass are using this option here in this. Suppose delivered by is not required. We can go to this option. Max the code will be using for particular option. So in this email subscription. So where our option will be used. Subscribe delivered by here. We can use save done. We can check remove by Feedburner option also we can remove from this option. Add email and subscribe our particular option. If you wrong subscribe, they will give the wrong error will be here. This compulsory we can use this option for Feedburner purpose. What are the code required? We can update by the HTML for customization. Use this code on a particular WordPress website. So this is called to activate for email subscription for WordPress website. If any customer required, we can go to setting this option and everything will be there. Particular here, we can use on the particular email purpose. Here, what time we can use the particular timings also will be there. In this, use the here schedule email delivery. So everything will be in the particular time you can schedule. What time you can use for Indian time. Selecting for Indian time will be here. Selecting for click for save option. So this is a way to activate particular email subscription on your particular WordPress website.